Obwo kutorana abanyabutegetsi batari bamwe na bamwe mu kigombe cya NRM aharurengo rutari rumwe na rumwe kuriyo no kugenda mu misho muri Kampala ekitongore kiri kujunanizibwa okutera akaruru mu kitongore eki cyagemeserezebwa okwemereza akaruru kaba Entrepreneurs League bwanyuma ya bamwe ombesimbireho okuhereza okwetomwito kwabo bari kujunana omwe omubayisimbireho okushereka abatezi bakaruru.
Let us go back. 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 Let us go back.
Ona tugende tkoye kubera wano tumaze na kubiringa tulonda tumashikana maso for us we want to vote for the entrepreneur
okurukanye mwabasho turinda koma tubakakomere kandi baba tuweserampa turiyo mukubona bona cyo tusaba bakome kandi nitotina tutuna MP witu
ompelani juu nisaba nugire kagadi hara tukome tumane kukoma mtahe nyamba bulista wakagadi district baoja amos.
My dear friends, we are women. We have been here for 2 days. Why don't you vote
They have not all these members yesterday. They spent 8 a.m. to almost 6, 7, and they came back without tags. Then all the rest, these guys have tags, and most of them are not entrepreneurs. How did they get the tags?
Yes. So when you make the region, but once we are national leaders, you become a national leader. You are not a national leader because of your tribe. You are a national leader because you will have the qualities to be a national leader. And therefore, it is a warning to all party leaders and party members. We have to stop tribalizing party positions, stop bringing religion in our elections.
Na bwanyuma habaho kutera kwa karuru kabakazi ahandengo zitari zimwe na zimwe kandi aha National Chairperson Women's League Adrian Kobusinje yasinga n'obururu mutwaro gumwe 838 yakuratwa Kibo wa Farida n'obururu kaga Nshanju n'abandi kandi we Jovrin Karisa cyo mukama yakarugamu ari kugira ngo utiyikirizana na bamwe umubantu abibaresere okutera karuraka kandi akabakazi ba Western Inedumwesije nuwe yakasinga.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Niwe tutanchemeza munonga kandi kinari kusimana Adrian ngajya kakaruru tukija tutinaho kutora ya turaza ya turisa twashobora twararoweya nabwo aturondera cyo kujya aturondera
nimbashaba ubatakagira umutima mbi. I'm very ready kugira ngo ikintu kindi kutandika nacho to do a dinner nkoreka cyaciro nkaka mbete tuganire because at the end of the day atwinira karimo ryo mucyaro so tindi mutakurwana entaro kandi ine reason yo kurwana bentaro
mbweni nyowe nisimo munyambabazi mukama nisimaranga munonga ahabo kuba ekiti cyanje cyarengo kuteka kwanje ezinemba bazarahanga.
Na bwanyuma omukarura katirwe Honorable Tom Butime nuwasingire aka historicals Workers League kasingirwe Rwakajara aritwe Eldare League kasingirwe Pene na Businje Veterans kasingirwe Lieutenant Moses Mushabe Disabilities kasingwa Shafik Mwanje kandi akemenyeto kayemerezebwa ahanshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe. Izoba rya nyencyakare hariho bururu bwo kutorana arajwekere ekibina cya NRM omusek omubicweka bya Western, Northern, Eastern, Central na Vice Chairman hamwe na Chairman bita Karuru Kamani nikija kuba ahagati ya Speaker w'ishengero Annette Among na Rebecca Kadaga ahamwanya gwa Second National Vice Chairman Female. Kanda honoho Minister Rwamerama yashaba Kadaga okuronda karuru bitari kugirango President n'ugwara kumurwanza.
The next line is this one, madam.
Daga kugira ngo president afira ari kigongo iti yamfao icyo ni yangu ni blackmail nashi nanda yarga muramu abukuba president akabaha chance ngo bagambe bombi we ka chairman bona nabi so kuba kubura kwikirizana intimanyisa ngo twaza kubaterera karuru so nabo icyo president we umurimo gwo gukoziri yagambira abakigongo bakikizana bari yabargamo abisimbira president kuba batiro mwishazi barugamo kunkaba abakazi bombe ntibenu bagenda
bitu nabwanyuma abahagize babasajja baraba batahaha mwanya wo bari kutereraho akaruru bari kugira ngo utine karuru ko nakaraterwe baba batabikirize okutera akaruru kawe gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumza.